G'day everyone and welcome back to my channel. It's been a while since I've uploaded, but I've got a good one for you today. It is a 3-step beard routine with 3 really reasonably priced products. So we've got a beard shampoo, which is about $5 at the chemist. We've got a beard conditioner, which is also a face moisturizer, also around $5. And again, another $5 product, beard oil. And these might even come in some sort of pack for 10, 12 bucks. I got these for Kris Kringle, and that was a while ago. And when I was given it, I didn't actually have a beard. So back in December, I had no beard. I haven't shaved since then. So what's that? Almost 2 months, maybe 6 weeks. And I'm probably gonna be trimming my beard in the coming days. So why not take the opportunity of this longer facial hair to test out these products and see what they do to the look of my beard. So I'll give you guys a good look now. I've got nothing in here other than my own oils. Sometimes your own bodily fluids is the best natural products. So let's pop these products in and compare and see what they look like. Okay guys, so that is the 3-step beard grooming routine with the Buy My Beard products. Look, that was quite an enjoyable experience. I liked how the conditioner felt on my skin. It felt like it was revitalizing it. So that was nice. In terms of how my beard looks, does it look any better than what it did before? I mean, it feels a lot cleaner, and I like the oil. It wasn't too greasy. It was, you know, the right consistency between what an oil should be. It wasn't too oily even. It was definitely an oil, but you know, sometimes beard oils, you put them in and it feels like crude oil in your face. But this felt quite nice. So Buy My Beard, I'll see if it's a worldwide brand or just an Australian brand. I'll post links in the description. Let me know, how does my beard look? As I said, for a 6-week beard, I think it's pretty good, and I don't mind this length. So it's good when you get to this length to have some products that you can use just to clean and revitalize and enhance what you've got. Anyway guys, that will be the video for today. Stay tuned, I will be doing a trimming video. I got a brand new trimmer, the Wahl lithium ion, which is I've wanted for a long time, so I'm going to review that and we're going to use that. So be sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments below what sort of products you use, any recommendations. But as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you all next time.